Today we're going to be working with the letter I. It says I, capital I, lowercase I, is for ice cream. Color the picture. So you're going to color the picture. Make sure to try and stay in the lines. With the bigger markers, I know that it can be difficult. So I colored my cone brown, and I think I'm going to add, I'm going to do some blue moon ice cream. So I'm going to color mine blue. And then I will add some green chips. So there's my ice cream. Make sure I color the cherry on top. There's my ice cream. Okay, then the next part, you're going to trace the capital I. So you can cross, and then down, looks almost like a T, and then you're going to give it a line on the bottom. Dotted line to solid line down, and then a dot. Then you're going to try, give it a space. You're going to make the capital I, then the lowercase I, then give it another space. They're not a word, but they're together, so you're going to keep them together. So then a space, so then capital I, looks like a T, but then you add the bottom line, and then lowercase I, and then a space, capital I, lowercase I, then a space. I can't really go any further, so those would be my I's. Then down below, we have some words, and you're going to be listening for the I sound. Now on the back of this, there is K's, or J's. It just printed that way. We are not doing the J's. So what you're going to do is you are going to take your scissors. I just had them. There they are. You're going to cut on that line. So you have your I sheet. Don't worry about the back at all. And we have ice, juice, jelly, igloo, jaguar, and cow. And they're very similar to the other side, so if you accidentally switch them over, it's okay. On the other side, it's iguana, juice, igloo, jelly, jaguar, ice. So I'm going to cut them into squares. And so I have an iguana that starts with I. I hear the I. So I'm going to glue that on. Then I have ice, I-C-E, ice, makes the other sound that I makes, the I sound. Then I have jaguar or juice, no, that makes the J sound. Then I have jelly, jelly's on the other side as well. Jelly makes a J sound. I have jaguar and juice again, both make the J sound. And then my next one is igloo, and there's igloo on both sides. Igloo makes that I sound. So we're going to put that on. So we'll have iguana, ice, and igloo. They all start with I. Very nice. Keep up the great work.